Right, to fill up the oil I'm using 5W30. They can tolerate down to -30 or even lower temperature. It's the fully synthetic oil for gasoline and diesel cars. So I'm going to use approximately 0.6 liters to fill in. And this is the tool that I created, because otherwise it's quite difficult to get inside. So I'm just inserting this tool. I'm starting to filling it in. So I need 0.6 or about 0.6 liters. Now, so you need to check also, use some kind of measurement tool to make sure that you use 0.6 liter, because otherwise actually these engines, they have oil level sensor, so if it's too low then it just won't start. I had this problem some time ago that I didn't notice that the oil was too low. I think it should be full soon. Now, a little bit more. I think it should be good. So I'm going to use this stick, standard stick, to check the oil, to see that it's indeed the correct amount. Yeah, so it's H basically. Let's go to do it one more time. Yes, it's H. So you can see that it's full now. Alright, that's it. So normally I do it every 6 months, so before the winter and after winter. But you can do it once a year before or right after the season starts. So then you make sure that your snowblower is in a good condition.